welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. There's a lot of stuff going on here. We are in Torren 5. Nope, Torren 4. Trying. It says return to town with the hurl shot. Recover the hurl shot. And we have to return to town. So that's where we're going. Back to town. Okay. I didn't know that. And I did look up the hurl shot because didn't know what it was all about. I thought it was a new gadget, but it's not. It's an upgrade to your glove, which gadget is that? That is the Omni glove. Is that the one? No. Yeah, slingshot, hook shot, tether targets. Enables a slingshot's tether to manipulate wrists, blah blah blah, and tethers. So it's just an upgrade to the tether. Okay, before we go anywhere else, I wanted to check everything here. Well, because I think once we go over there, we're going to be in a world of hurt, probably. Ooh, ammo, good. Gonna need ammo. Yeah, once I hurl shot. I don't see any raritanium here, is there? It looks like we're pretty worked. We're pretty much covered with everything here. And I'm not sure I'm going to get the hurl shot figured out the first time, but... And we're going this way? Yeah, we're going this way. We got health over here. Ammo. I think we're good. Alright, where's the hurl shot at? Here? No, it's over here. Press L1 to hold and use the hurl shot. Okay, L1. Wait a minute, there's some more ammo over here. Let's see what we got over here. Yep, blast pistol ammo. Alright, what do we got hooked up? Let me see. I have the lightning gun. I have the sprinkler. We don't want the sprinkler. I want the shatter bomb. Let's put that down here. And I have the ricochet and the pistol. I might need the Megatron collider, but we'll check it out first to see what goes. See what happens. Let's hook up the electric gun first. Alright, L1, huh? Did that work? I guess.
Between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves. We're pinned down.
If Monolith is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
They're better to find buried treasure than on a jump.
Oh, what the hell? What happened there? Did they shoot me?
If Monolith is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
We're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
Nope. Okay, I must have got shot. I don't know what's going on there.
If Monolith is mostly junk, what are they hoping to loot here?
We're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
Oh, I'm going way over here. Okay.
No quarter. No sheep.
So delicious! Our looting was so boring until you arrived. Merci for livening things up.
Yeah. Keep
Come on, I should be able to hit that. There we go.
Pirates does Pierre have?
Maybe the fixer will help finish them off.
Where are they? I don't see them. It says more pirates. Do I have to go somewhere else again? There we go. so far. Now where am I going? Back? This way? Must be. I don't want to go that way, do I? I don't know. Seems like I do.
Incoming.
Get some health. Alright, this is a good place for the glove. Where's the glove at? The glove of doom. Here we go.
Why don't you always get in my way?
Did you ever think you're the one getting in my way?
Ha! I am afraid I am the protagonist of this story. Hello, everyone.
Don't let him get a lock on you!
I need to put the glove of doom on. I don't have it on. Let's favor it down here. Here we go.
Get away this time!
Uh-oh, I ammo, huh? Alright, do this again. Okay, we're all out of that guy. The glove of doom. What's this one up here? The drill hunt. We'll save that guy. Let's see, I need to put the, I think I'm going to need the Megatron Collider somewhere along the line here. How much ammo do I have? I have no ammo for this. Let's put the Megatron Collider over here. Uh-oh, missed him.
Are you getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new dance partner.
There we go. This is what I was thinking I needed.
Are we going?
Where's the Collider at? He's over here.
Dance?
No, we are not!
Come here, Shockbrain. I'll make you pay for that. There'll be no Clank for you to walk here. Your end lies with
Uh-oh. Get out of my way, little runts.
This is what's eating you. For trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours?
Nice. Ricochet doesn't work with this mob.
Just to avoid hits like that.
Alright, let's get these guys.
Whose quest to look for the best? I shall save you trouble.
Yeah, I gotta get rid of the mob somehow here. I don't know how. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm in bad shape now. Yeah, okay, that doesn't work good for a mob.
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not!
Alright, let's see if I got my glove. If I have any more ammo for my glove. The glove of doom. Let's put that on.
There be no Clank for ye to walk in. Your end.
Let's see, what do we want? The Megatron Collider? Sure.
This is what she gets for trying to steal what is ours. You're not going to scuttle me. Hold my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! We'll eat the expenses! Are ye sure?
I suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted. Go! Nice one, Bolts. Whew. I'd be happy if I never saw a pirate again.
So we're back home. Okay. Alright, there's the, okay.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
Okay, let's take a breather. Let's see what we got here. Get some bolts and we'll load up. Get resupplied before we head off. Okay, so yeah, see the hurl shot is everywhere now. That just gives you a okay, we're not going that way because that's bees or whatever they are, wasps. A lot of pirates still here. Those guys are funny. And I think, just out of curiosity, one of my armor sets gives me damage against pirates. Gives me protection against pirates. It's not this one. This is melee damage. Okay. Damage from pirates is reduced 10%. Now, from what I understand, and I could be wrong, you don't have to wear any of this armor. It automatically gives you these bonuses just having found it. And I did look that up a couple times. Various enemies. Okay, so pirates. This is the pirate one up here. This one. The robot pirate. It says damage from pirates is reduced by 10%. What does it look like? We'll put it on anyway, just in case. But I don't. That's what I understand is that you don't need to be wearing it. All right. Will this girl sell me stuff even though the pirates are all over the place? Yeah, she will. Okay.
Feel free to browse.
Reload everything. The repulsor is the shield thing. And the buzz blades. Will it show me how to operate these now? Preview. There we go. Buzz blades, huh? Okay. Oh, I can't buy that anyway. That's how much? 27,005. I have 23,000. The cold pump, we can't do that.
Coming real soon, hun.
And the bombardier, dropping bombs is what it lives for. Literally. Okay. We have everything else, so. Okay, what about
Looks like
upgrades?
You got enough of that beauty.
We do, but we're not going to buy that yet. The Void Repulsor. Upgrades. We have 18. Let's do the Glove of Doom again. Let's get this upgraded so we can get the gold stuff. What does this do? Additional agent comes with each dragon egg. Dragon? What is it? Doom egg. Okay. Okay, cool.
Ooh, now look at that.
Okay, we got this baby going. And what level is this at? This is at level 2, so we need to keep using this. Get this leveled up pretty good.
How's that bad boy?
Let's see, this one's in pretty good shape. The Megatron Collider's in pretty good shape. The Lightning Rod is in pretty good shape. Mr. Fungi, which we don't use much. The Shatter Bomb, that's in pretty good shape. The Enforcer, yeah, that's pretty good too. The Ricochet is pretty good. That's actually maxed. The Topiary Sprinkler, the Drill Hound. Yeah, I don't know about that one. It was a little bit difficult to use.
When you level that up.
Yeah, that was a little difficult to use. I don't know if I'll be using that one or not. It was good, I guess. I don't know. And I wonder, I think these things have a level cap of like 5, but I'm not sure. A Shatter Bomb. What are these two over here? I think we have more area of effect, right? Increase the area of effect. Increase max ammo. Oh, okay, we should do that. What's this? This is increased max ammo. Shots fire at a higher rate. Well, we can do the area of effect thing. That looks pretty good. Okay, this is 74% maxed. So I guess there'll be some more things opened up in the next level. Level 5. I think there's a level cap at 5 for this stuff. Mr. Fungi. Yeah, we really haven't done much with him either. The Lightning Rod is pretty good. Looks like an ammo cap over here, right? What is this? Shots fired at a higher rate. Yeah, we'll take that one too. Why not? This is only at level 3 though, so we got some more. We could wonder why. I use that one a lot. The Megatron Collider. Okay, this is at level 5. We might as well finish this off.
I think you just turned a negatron into a positron.
Okay, so that one's fully upgraded.
Looks like you've got some open sales and the raritanium to match.
Let's see, this is the blast pistol. What do we got here? Fire, rate of fire, max ammo increase. Let's do that. Might as well. What's this one down here? Tighten spread for more precise shots. Sure, why not? We might as well just level this one up too.
Ooh, that is practically bursting with power now.
Okay, that one's leveled up 100%.
Now try some more baddies before you can upgrade that one.
Yeah, we need to get the lightning rod going. Shatter Bomb. That's level 4. The Enforcer. That's level 4 also. Haven't been using that one much. That is that's good for crowd control, man. I should be using that more. What is this here? Shots go farther. Alright. So, I don't have the Enforcer hooked up anywhere, do I? Let's hook that up on this side for now. And we have the... Well, actually, we want to hook up this one on this side over here. We got to continue to level that one up. Let's put that over there. That's where it belongs. And then we will put the enforcer. Let's see. I guess we'll wait to see what we run up against, eh? Alright, so where am I going? That way I have to hurl shot over there? I guess. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Hurl shot. Let's check the map here first. Where are we going? It doesn't say on the map where we're going, does it? Let's see. There's some more raritanium, and here's the gold bolt. Now, how come... And there's a... How come I didn't see the gold bolt? It must be somewhere out in the middle of space there somewhere. Where's this, Is it over here somewhere? Let's see. Let's see if it's up here somewhere. Uh-oh. Yeah, don't fall off. This way?
Show a leg, ladies.
Huh. Oh, you bitch. Okay, this is a good place for the enforcer. Like how they spew green stuff. Enforcer ammo. Okay. Okay, so where is the raritanium at? I passed it somehow. This way somewhere. This way? Let's see. No, come on. There it is. Okay, that was only one raritanium? What the hell was that? That's no good. Alright, okay, so I guess we'll phase shot over there now. What is that over there? Oh, that's what's her name. Alright. Enforcer ammo. Oh, she's locking up, I guess, huh? Yeah, she's locking up because of all the goons. Alright, where are we now? Okay, there's nothing here right at the moment. I gotta figure out how to get that gold bolt. That's crazy. Alright, let's go this way, see where this leads.
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Not my experience with big robots, but we'll see.
Okay, this is a good spot for the topiary sprinkler, too. Can't reach him. Oh, already I'm out? Damn it. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Shit. That's what I want to use. Okay. I hear another buzz bee. Where is he? I hear him, but I don't see him.
Another pocket dimension.
Oh yeah, how about that?
Might be fun.
I can be persuaded.
Not sure I can. Let's go look at it first. And there is some more raritanium over here somewhere. Let's see. There it is. Not much. Just a wee bit. Let's go in here and see what's in here. We may have to come back to this. I might come back to this. So we have like 2 tethers we have to go. Oh man, this looks like craziness. Okay. What's in here?
That smell is so... bleh.
Ammo.
Maybe it's time for one last speedle ride.
Speedles? Really? That doesn't sound like a whole lot of fun. Speedles, huh? Where do I have to go? I don't see the end game. I see the Speedle nest is over there. But yeah, I don't see the end game here. Well, let's do it. Just what the heck? Why not? Alright, we're gonna ride Speedles. Whoops. To where? We gotta get up there. So where would I ride the Speedle to? Looks like there's a ramp. I gotta ramp up to that, huh? Somehow. I gotta ride ramps. Alright, well, let's see what happens here. Speedles it is. Here we go. I forgot how to ride these guys now. Gotta do a ramp. Here we go. Here's a ramp. And now I have to get a new Speedle? I do. Here we go. Turn the corner. Okay, that wasn't too bad. What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Helmet. Ooh, and there's a little guy right there to get out, it looks like. Helmet 4. Helmet. Let's see, which one do we get? I don't know, I missed it. What's this here? Oh, that's the stuff I have on. Okay, that's Lomax, Preatorian, Raritarium, get more Raritarium. Captain Starshield. I wonder if that was the one I just collected. Nope. Damage from indigenous creatures. Huh. I don't know which one it was. I missed it. Went too fast. Galactic Ranger. We have everything for that. Melee damage. We have everything for the robot. This guy. We have everything for the... No, we don't. We don't have everything for the... However you pronounce that. Preatorian helm. And this one gives me Raritanium. Yeah, I don't know which one I got. It might have been this one. Captain's Starfield. Okay, yeah, I don't know which one I got. Anyway. Alright, let's continue on. Just the way out? Yeah, it is. Okay.
Yep, still weird.
Weird, but fascinating.
Okay, now, on to the fixer.
He's this way. So there are only... Well, there's only one armor in here, and there's 2 gold bolts. I know where one of the gold bolts is. It's over here. Oh man, the fixer's pretty far away too, isn't it? We'll get the gold bolt later. Alright, so let me see what this is. This looks like a double, triple. A double, triple one, huh? Okay, now let's just see how this runs.
Almost there!
Max! Pierre says they be fixing to fix the fixer! So fix them a quick death!
Uh-oh.
You're gonna pay for making
Oh,
us scuttle
God.
our own ship.
Another one, huh?
Let 'em down, matey. The Lombax is getting too close to the fixer.
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those rings.
Get away so easily.
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight for yourself.
I should have known.
Oh, out of ammo.
You fools would be too easy. For it is a fool therein to fix the fixer.
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
Okay, we are getting mobbed, so it's time for the Doom Glove. Here we go.
Good thing you'll never have to find out. Don't let him
Uh-oh, what's happening here? I'm dying.
You and your adorable sassy backpacks then. No chance.
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not let
Uh-oh.
me to the
Committed suicide. Alright, let's try this again. Where's the Doom of the Gloom of Doom?
Some solid cover here, and it looks like I could flank them from the sides too.
Get away so easily.
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you.
Alright, so what do we got here that we can doom these guys with? Maybe the Ricochet. We'll go here for now.
Fight for yourself.
Oh, really?
I should have known. Telling you fools would be too easy. For it is a
Uh-oh, he stepped into the...
fix the fixer.
Keeps stepping into it.
Saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my legs?
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
Uh-oh. Stay away from the bombs.
You and your adorable sassy backpacks then. No chance.
Sassy backpack.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not lump me to the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Alright, do we have any more Doom of Gloom left? Let's see. We don't. Get him, Dooms.
What are these things?
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Speaking from experience, he won't.
Man, I hate when they do that right close to the edge like that. Where am I going? Am I supposed to go somewhere else? Oh, this guy. Okay. Sorry, guys, we can't reach him. Not from here. How do I get him? I guess I gotta get over there, huh? Okay. Let's see. I need a Megatron Collider for this guy probably, and the wait, let's fix this back up again. Everything got messed up here. Where's my Collider? Here it is. Let's put that on. How much of this do I have? Not much. We got some of this, and we got enough of the Ricochet, right? Okay, let's put this on here. Come on.
The fixer be done for. forth, and so shall ye.
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
Get him, guys. Where is he?
I be honored to bless ye myself. Your scraggly neck will fester fear no more.
I think I'm gonna get mobbed again.
Blocking my shot.
Your tail will be a fine swab for our cat.
Enough yet?
Never!
Uh-oh.
To avoid hits like that.
Come on, we almost got this guy. Where's my health at? I need some health. I'm gonna die. Here's some health. Bitch. Ah. I see. We almost got this guy. Come on, let's get him.
What if the base Quartz cannot be fixed?
We're in deep trouble. But there's
Deep
no point in
doo-doo.
worrying about it now.
What does that do? That looks like boots.
Regroup with the others! We are going to attack them one pieces!
Okay, now where do I go? Do I go this way? What's this way? That looks like danger. Danger, Will Robinson. There's an island over there. Maybe there's a gold bolt over there. We're going to call it a video right here. And we're going to come back to this spot. And we're going to go investigate that too. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.